Our Albanian verb for today is lexoj, and we will see it in the past simple and present perfect tenses. The verb lexoj means to read. It's essential for talking about books, newspapers, emails, articles, or even social media posts. Let's learn it in the past simple and present perfect. The past simple of the verb lexoj: I read, unë lexova, I read, ti lexove, you read, ai, ajo lexoi, he or she read, ne lexuam, we read, ju lexuat, you read, ata or ato lexuan, they read. Some examples: unë lexova një libër interesant, I read an interesting book. Unë lexova një libër interesant. Ajo lexoi një artikull në gazetë. She read an article in the newspaper. Ajo lexoi një artikull në gazetë. Ne lexuam një histori mbrëm. We read a story last night. Ne lexuam një histori mbrëm. In the present perfect, I have read. Unë kam lexuar. I have read. Ti ke lexuar. You have read. Ai, ajo ka lexuar. He or she has read. Ne kemi lexuar. We have read. Ju keni lexuar. You have read. Ata, ato kanë lexuar. They have read. For example, unë kam lexuar shumë libra këtë vit. I've read many books this year. Unë kam lexuar shumë libra këtë vit. Ata kanë lexuar një histori të bukur. They have read a beautiful story. Ata kanë lexuar një histori të bukur. Ne kemi lexuar gazetën sot. We have read the newspaper today. Ne kemi lexuar gazetën sot. A practice paragraph, as always, using a verb in both tenses. Dje lexova një libër të ri, ndërsa shoqja ime lexoi një artikull online. Yesterday I read a new book, while my friend read an online article. Ne lexuam disa faqe së bashku. We read some pages together. Këtë javë kam lexuar disa histori interesante dhe kam lexuar gjithashtu lajmet çdo ditë. This week I have read several interesting stories and I have also read the news every day. One more time, only in Albanian. Dje lexova një libër të ri, ndërsa shoqja ime lexoi një artikull online. Ne lexuam disa faqe së bashku. Këtë javë kam lexuar disa histori interesante dhe kam lexuar gjithashtu lajmet çdo ditë. Let's look at our vocabulary list from today. Libër, book, libër, article, article, artikull, gazet, newspaper, gazet, histori, story, histori, sot, today, sot, vit, year, vit, gjithashtu, as well or also, gjithashtu, lajmet, the news, lajmet. Now you know how to use the verb lexoj in the past simple and present perfect. Practice in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more Albanian lessons. If you're serious about becoming fluent in Albanian, please send me an email at shqipify@gmail.com, which you can find in the description below. I will see you in the next video.